e-classes of Default School. I am Sipra and today I am going to take a class of science, that is air, water and weather. Okay, so this is chapter number 8, air, water and weather. Okay, this is come under unit number V, air, water and weather. So take a deep breath, then hold your hand in front of your face. Then half blow outwards towards your hand, just like this. Okay, what do you feel on your hand, students? You feel air. When you blow air, do you see anything? You cannot see anything because air is invisible. Air is one of the most important things that makes life on earth possible. So what is air? First of all, we know that air is invisible, and air is that component without it we cannot live our life, or we cannot live. Okay, so air is an essential component that help us to sustain in the world. Okay, then if we take an example, what we use air? We use air for breathing. Okay, so which purpose we use air? So for breathing and for taking a good amount of oxygen. We can say air is very important to us. Okay, then if we say about what is the components of air. Okay, so air has many gases. So within air there are many gases and that are constitute the air. So what is air made up of? Let us find out. The invisible substance called air is really a mixture of several gases. Okay, nitrogen, oxygen make up 99% of the air. The rest includes small amounts of carbon dioxide and other gases. Oxygen is the life giving gas in the air. So most important part of air is oxygen. Okay, then after that carbon dioxide. So students, do you know, if we say about only oxygen, this is not possible to sustain our life in the world. Okay, because a person if want to live in this earth, then he also or she also have to take some food. Okay, and we all know we are direct or indirectly dependent upon what? Plant for food. Okay, so the food is prepared through plant and in the process of photosynthesis, and we all know carbon dioxide is used in the process of photosynthesis to make food. Okay, so water vapor is also important part of air. There are many other substances that get added to the air, and let us find out more about them. So you may see in this diagram, in our air mixture there is 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen and only 1% other gases. Okay, so this one is the constituent of air. Okay, remember that and draw this diagram in your copy. Okay, then send me to my WhatsApp number. Then students, let's see, air has very harmful substances. Walk into a garden. How does the air feel? the air feels clean. Yes, because due to the presence of many plants, it is possible to make the air clean, and you feel breathing this air. Okay, you feel fresh when you breathing this air. Walk on a busy road, you see smoke coming out on vehicles. How do you feel? You feel tired. You get a headache and your eyes burn. You can even have a skin allergy. Okay, so these are the harmful substances that are present in air and that are causes allergy, skin allergy, and make our air smoky and um, dirty. Then you may see this one is the composition of various substances in the air. So it can give you breathing problems too. If our air is not clean, then it also causes or it also results some breathing problems. So why does this happen? This is because vehicles release harmful gases into the air, and there is also a lot of dust in the air. Smoke from factories also get into the air. All these make the air unclean. Air may also contain germs. The presence of such harmful substances in air make it unclean. Breathing this air can make you sick. So breathing in clean air is very important for us. Okay, so in the next class we are going to continue this chapter. So just read it and learn all the necessary things in that part. Okay, thank you. See you in next class, students.